Tomorrow will be better. A 30 ohm resistor is connected to a 9 volt battery and put in 1 kilogram of water whose initial temperature is this. A current flows for 20 minutes. Find T2, which is the second or final temperature. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. The most relevant formula that will lead us to calculating the final temperature is that according to which energy is equal to MC and then change in temperature. From this expression, we will make change in temperature the formula. So this means change in temperature will be equal to the energy divided by the mass and specific heat capacity. Now, straight away, let's notice that we do not have this energy up here. So how do we get it? Now, looking at the question, we have elements that can help us or guide us to get this energy. How? Now, from power is equal to energy per unit time, we can deduce that energy from here will be equal to the product of power times time, okay? So now I will come here very quickly and say, but energy is a product of power and time. Once more, we do not have P here. But again, looking at the elements we have, we can relate power, resistance, and then potential difference. How? We will say again that but P here is equal to V squared on R. So from here we can already find an expression for Q. This means Q will be equal to V squared on R times T. And if you punch well, let's substitute. We will have that 9 all square divided by 30 and then times, now the time, which will be 20 minutes times 60 seconds. We have to convert it to seconds. If you punch it well, you should have that Q will be equal to 3240 joules. Now we have the value of Q. Let's come back to put it here. This means change in temperature, which we are looking for, will be equal to this Q, 3240 divided by the mass of the water which has been given, and then times specific capacity of water, which is a constant. If you punch this well, we should have 0.77 degrees Celsius. Now I will leave it in degrees Celsius because the initial temperature has been given in degrees Celsius. And also changes in temperature, whether in Kelvin or degrees Celsius, boil down to the same thing. Therefore, the final temperature, T2, will be equal to T1 plus the change in temperature. And if you do it well, we should have that T2 should be equal to 20.77 degrees. Tomorrow will be better.